Today is all about coming together to celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's a chance to pause and reflect on the incredible impact of a man whose dream altered the course of a nation. As we pay homage to Dr. King's life and what he stood for, we're reminded of the lasting values he championed: justice, equality, and love. Back in the 1960s, he emerged as a symbol of hope during the civil rights movement, tirelessly advocating for an end to racial segregation and injustice. Unfortunately, he was assassinated in April of 1968. His powerful "I Have a Dream" speech still resonates, urging us to envision a society where people are judged by their character and not the color of their skin. So as we commemorate this day, let's join hands in unity, drawing inspiration from the legacy of a man who dared to dream. Dr. King's dream still calls us to address ongoing issues and strive for a future where justice and equality prevail. This is Linda, your American accent speech coach and founder of Be Understood, encouraging you to stay curious, keep practicing, and keep growing.